So we're still on lesson 9, but this is going to be the part 2 of lesson 9. And in this lesson, we'll be taking a look at a special type of interrogative pronoun, which is aina. And let's have a look at it. So in the first sentence is aina al-mudarrisu, where is the teacher? So aina in Arabic language means where. So when you're asking for direction, you can use aina. You say aina al-mudarris, where's the teacher? Huwa fil fasli, he is in the classroom. Fi means inside or in. So we say huwa fil al fasli means a classroom. And the next question is wa aina al mudarrisu al jadidu. Remember we've talked about adjectives. So al jadid is an adjective in this case. Remember that adjectives always follow whatever they're qualifying in terms of articles and in terms of grammatical cases. So if the mudarris is having a dhamma, the jadid will also have a dhamma at the last letter. So when you say وَأَيْنَ الْمُدَرِّسُ الْجَدِيدُ, where is the new teacher? Huwa عند المدير is at the proprietor's place. Like he is with the proprietor. Let's say it that way. So huwa عند المدير is with the proprietor. أين الطالب الجديد, where is the new student? ذهب إلى المكتبة, he has gone to the library. Al-maktaba in this case means the library. So sorry, yeah, pretty much library. So من ذلك الرجل الطويل الذي خرج الآن من المدرسة. Now this question, من ذلك الرجل, who, and before I interpret, let's first complete the phrase. من ذلك الرجل الطويل, who is that tall man? الطويل is someone that's tall. So we say ذلك الرجل الطويل, who is that tall man الذي خرج الآن من المدرسة, that just came out from the school. الذي, that, خرج, came out now. خرج الآن, الآن means now, so that just came out now. من المدرسة, from the school. So as it goes, هو المدير الجديد, he is the new proprietor. ومن الولد الصغير الذي خرج الآن من الفصل. Now look at how I pronounced this with a kasra. That is because two sukuns cannot meet. The first alif for the definite article has a sukun, and this noon also has a sukun. So when two sukuns are about to meet, you have to give the first letter a kasra. That is this noon has to have a kasra. So when you say ومن الولد الصغير, and who's that small boy? الذي خرج الآن من الفصل, that just came out from the class. هو وابن المدير الجديد, he is the son of the new mudir, the son of the new proprietor. Alright, so while scrolling up, now the next question is لمن تلك السيارة الجميلة, who owns that beautiful car? Liman, who is it for? If I'm going to interpret this literally, liman means who is it for. So liman tilka, who owns that? السيارة الجميلة, that beautiful car. هو للمدير الجديد, is for the new mudir. لمن هذا الكتاب الكبير, who owns this big book. هو للمدرس, is it for the teacher? لا, هو لطالب الجديد, it is for the new student. أين الملعقة الصغيرة, where is the small spoon? Can you see how they're teaching you how to use adjectives this time around with definite articles? So you have to understand that the adjective qualifying noun also have to come in a definite article, also have to have a definite article if what is qualifying also has a definite article. So أين الملعقة الصغيرة, where's the small spoon? هي في الكوب, it's in the cup. So because milaka is feminine in nature, it's a feminine noun because of the ta marbuta. That's why we're using here. أين الكرسي المكسور, where is the broken chair? Now in the grammar, when lessons, the common lessons, inshallah, you would be seeing when we start treating verbs, inshallah, we'll start seeing conjugation of verbs from from past tense, present tense to passive particle, because al-maqsoor in this case is a passive particle, so which means broken. So huwa hunak, it is over there. So that will be that for the part 2. And while for the tamreen, you're asked to read and write. So please do read and write all of these texts. And You can check the dictionary for any word that you find strange. While in the second lesson, you're asked to fill in the empty lines with these adjectives, but you have to take note of the gender of what you are, what you're qualifying. For example, this number one, أين المدرس, you're just going to put جديد. But if it were to be المدرسة, now it's feminine, you know that the جديد will come as جديدة. And remember, because the mudarris is having a definite article, so jadid will also have to have a definite article. So it's going to be Aina al mudarrisu al jadid. Where is the new teacher? All right. So that is that for that particular lesson. Then this for the number three, you just asked to read. So in this number three, you're looking at some relative pronouns. Sorry, the relative pronoun alladhi, now it has been used in sentences. We've seen some examples from ones we read just now. So let's take a look at this first one for here. So we have الطالب الذي خرج من الفصل, the student that came out from the class. So الذي can mean that, but with respect to how it would make sense in English language actually, but understand that it's a relative pronoun. That just came out from the class now is an Indonesian, mean Indonesia, or is from Indonesia. Okay, so and in this box you're being taught not wa man'ut, and like I said in the previous video, it can either mean sifa wa mawsuf. So this can also be called sifa, and this can also be called mawsuf. Baytun jadidun, new or a new house. Okay, now as for the kalimatul jadida, al maktaba means library. No, yeah, an office. Sorry, I mistakenly called it a library. It means an office. Al-an means noun. Al-mirwaha means fan. Yeah. Al-mustawsaf, I think mustawsaf means clinic. Al-madrasatu al-thanawiyya. This means senior. You can call it senior secondary school, senior or college. Then we have al-wazir means minister. Al-shahir means popular, and hadun is an adjective which means sharp. So we say a knife is sharp. Sikinu hadun, the knife is sharp. So we'll stop the video here inshallah, and next lesson we're taking a look at lesson 10. Assalamu alaikum.